Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Monopoly Go dice. Now the process is very simple. The first and the normal process is just simply click on play, then open your game and then just simply play the game and then try to build your district, and while you're doing so you will find a lot of rewards and you will be able to gain a lot of dices just like that. Now the other option that you have is just simply go to the browser and go to this particular website. As you can see the URL at the top side, just simply copy that and go to this particular URL. Now over here in the search panel, just simply search for Monopoly Go. So after searching for the game, just simply click on the first option, then just simply click on download needed. Now it's gonna take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. So in order to actually download this particular application, you will need to complete few surveys. So just simply keep that in mind. Now after the page have been loaded, you'll find a lot of survey options or applications that you can particularly download, and just simply spend 20 to 30 seconds on that application. You don't have to register or do anything on the application, just simply spend time on that application. That's all. And the moment you will complete 20 seconds in 3 different applications, the application called Monopoly Adder will be downloaded and installed on your device. So after that, just simply go to that application, then log in with your official Monopoly Go ID and then add as much dice and cash that you want, and then the exact amount will reflect on your main ID as well. And just like that, you will have a lot of dice on Monopoly Go. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.